Oh man, you're staring at a leak under the kitchen sink. Water's dripping into a mixing bowl you shoved under there 20 minutes ago. You pull up YouTube, watch some guy explain pipe fittings for 11 minutes, buy a wrench you'll use once, and spend Saturday elbow deep in PVC. 2 hours later, the leak's worse. Monday? Now you're at work on Monday morning. Your team hits a snag and everyone says, let's just follow what we did last quarter. Different problem, same instinct. Grab the first tool and start turning. The issue isn't effort. It's applying the same fix to every problem when the approach doesn't match. Today we're breaking down the Cynefin framework, a decision-making model that sorts problems into 5 categories so you stop wasting time and energy on the wrong approach. We're covering where the Cynefin framework comes from, what the research says about matching your strategy to the problem type, and 3 protocols to use the Cynefin framework before your next decision costs you a weekend or a deadline. Dave Snowden developed the Cynefin framework in 1999 at IBM. The name is Welsh for habitat. Problems live in different environments and need different responses. Here are the 5 domains. Number 1, simple. Cause and effect are clear, follow the best practice. Number 2, complicated. Cause and effect exist, but need an expert. Number 3, complex. Cause and effect only make sense afterwards, so you experiment. Number 4, chaotic. There's no patterns, and you first act to stabilize the situation. And number 5, disorder. You don't know which domain you're in. That's the dangerous spot because you default to whatever feels comfortable. Here's what the research says about the Cynefin framework. A 2021 study in project leadership and society titled Managing Complexity in Projects found that when teams applied standard methods to complex or novel problems, outcomes got worse. The more unfamiliar the problem, the more that sense-making in small experiments outperformed by-the-book approaches. Simple, repeatable problems did fine with established processes. The breakdown happened when teams couldn't tell the difference. Now, here are the 3 protocols to stop using the wrong approach on the wrong problem. Protocol number 1, the 30-second domain check. Before you solve anything, ask, do I know how this works? Yes means simple, follow steps. No, but someone does, means complicated. Find the expert. Nobody knows yet, means complex. Run a small experiment instead of a big plan. That pause keeps you from spending Saturday under the sink when a $90 plumber call would have had it done by lunch. Protocol number 2, name the domain out loud. You and your partner can't agree on whether to call a contractor or to rip out the bathroom tile yourselves? Before anyone grabs a crowbar, say what you're dealing with. This is complicated. We need someone who's done this before. Same at work. Problem hits in a meeting, name the domain before the fix. This is complex. Let's test something small. That forces everyone to agree on what they're facing before debating the solution. And protocol number 3, the monthly chaos audit. Look at the fires you put out last month. Was it chaotic, or did it feel chaotic because you didn't know which domain you were in? That's disorder most of the time. What felt like chaos was a complicated problem that needed a calm expert, not an all-hands reaction. Spotting that problem saves you from burning energy on emergencies that weren't. As we've learned here today, not every problem deserves the same wrench. The sink, the project snag, the midnight fire? Each one lives in a different domain. Pick one protocol and run it this week and see how much easier solving things becomes. Your move.